Welcome! We are so happy to be in Utah. Last week was so much fun going down to the Grand Canyon. This week it's Thanksgiving week, so we're gonna be heading up north tomorrow and being able to meet up with family and stuff. This is such a frustrating time of year in Utah. Up north it's cold, it's really cold, but there's not really any snow, so we're not really sure what we're gonna do. We're thinking about going skiing, bringing the Jeeps up and stuff, but we'll see how the week unfolds. A little update on the boat. We're actually going to, so it's in New Zealand now, and we're gonna be heading back there in January for just 2-3 weeks. Then in April, end of April, we're gonna take the boat from New Zealand up to Fiji and list the boat for sale. Anyway, if you know anybody that's interested, let us know. It's kind of sad to see that chapter end, but I'm finally coming to terms with it. We're so happy to be in Utah. There's so much good stuff here, so many wonderful people that we can serve and help and do stuff with. We're all packed and the dog knows what's up. Poor little Luna. She's ready to come with us. I'm sorry. Big door. We just got up to the hangar, just getting everything set up. Gina's sister's place got flooded, so we're having Thanksgiving dinner. We're gonna eventually put a little apartment up here. It's close to my parents, close to Gina's parents. It's awesome. So we love Bountiful. We are in, I don't know where we are, Hurricane, Toquerville. We're gonna do the Toquerville Twist. It's a single track to get up to Toquerville Falls. We got all kinds of crazy hoodlums with us. Just made it. Such a cool hike. Dirt bike ride.
They drove up right in here, and then there's another one. They drove. The blue one. Here we go. It's the big one.
Don't say watch this. Where are you going?
See what they're talking about.
I wonder what it feels like. Oh, wait a minute. Now carry on. Stay down or rise above. Oh, is it a red flag or recklessly in love? I wonder what it feels like. I wonder what it feels like. 'Cause I wonder what it feels like.
This is just down the street from our house. The guy that built it, they're gonna come build one similar in our backyard. We're not sure exactly how we're gonna build it yet, but we're starting to get some plans in place, so it'll be fun. We've had so much fun in Utah. We just went down to the NFR yesterday, and there's, let's see, 2 more, or today and tomorrow, but it's so fun to be down there. And yeah, a couple more weeks, I guess 3 weeks till we're back to the boat. We are going down to St. George to Bear Poppy mountain biking trailhead. So Emerson has school down in St. George today, so we thought we'd run down before school real quick. It's nice, cold, brisk morning.
Yep.
Yep, but we're happy.
Yeah.
Ready to go. So my battery died on my gear shifter, so I only have my highest gear, so I can't hardly pedal. So I don't know where Emerson ended up. Hopefully he's at the Jeep so we can get to school. Okay, we are a Bear Poppy again with everyone. Enzo got a good wreck, I guess. Zach was the filmer.
Yeah. Good.
Oh!
Got the first wreck on my dad's bike.
Yeah, did he scratch it?
Yeah, good.
Don't tell him.
I already told him.
You did?
I already told him.
Oh man.
He's a little guy.
Hey,
Oh man.
It could be worse.
This
Could be worse.
Sharpie.
Got the slobbery Luna. It's us over here. Where are you going? How's Mama?
Good.
You having fun?
Yeah, this place is fun. I'm a
Mom,
beginner.
Mommy's a mountain biker.
I'm a beginner.
So today we're having fun moving some blocks. There's this dirt bike for mountain bike, or I guess dirt jumpers technically, and mountain bikes. There's this track here that they're gonna do away with, but there's a guy by the name of, I think it's Tyler McCall, I don't know how to pronounce it, but he's a professional rider for rides Red Bull Rampage and stuff. You should look him up. He's insane. It's seeing him do backflips and crazy stuff off cliffs, but he knew this park was going to be taken away, and so he raised a bunch of money, and then Suncor has donated all these concrete blocks. They've donated like 60 blocks, and Josh and I were just going back and forth. We'll have a bunch of loads, so we can only take about 6 at a time. So it's pretty awesome. There's the Stouts. They're the coolest family in Hurricane. They serve so much and have done so much to help it grow. And anyway, we're grateful to be a part of making this all come together. I forgot to mention our guys at Trailer Source. Trailer Source is incredible. The guys over there built this trailer for us. We bought a few other trailers, but anyway, they helped design this and stuff. The guys over there are incredible, so thank you, Trailer Source. Well, we got all those blocks taken care of. I dropped my truck off to get a couple things done to it, but we bought this 1964 or 63 F100. I think I'm out of gas, not 100% sure. We just redid the carburetor, new radiator, a few things, but yeah. Oh, and then a friend are coming to pick me up while bringing me some gas, so hopefully I can make it home. Owen has cleaned out the whole fuel tank and stuff, put in a new fuel filter, cleaned out the fuel tank, and I think that's all it needed. So pretty cool little truck. Did it die?
Yeah, it died once, and then I fixed it, and then it died again, just barely.
Oh.
Poor little guy.
Got a strap.
Good luck.
Or a rope.
Hey, did you chase the goats? Was it you? Was it Piper? Did Piper do it? All right, Happy New Year. It's New Year's Eve. We're here at the farm in Hurricane. We've partnered with these guys. It's been such a fun adventure, but we're just hanging out here, and then tomorrow we're flying to New Zealand to go see Leah.
Where I've been before, living hungry, broken, cold. But
How was it, Milo? How was it, Mama?
Anniversary special!
that's why I never look back in my rearview mirror. There but more of the same. Oh, I never look back in my rearview mirror.
Yeah!
Never step for when I'm changing lanes.
Look at this little baby goat born this morning. Hello! So Tahi and Kate, we actually met them in Bora Bora, or in Tahiti, but they live in Bora Bora. We randomly found out last night that they're here in Utah. So they drove down to see us this morning, and so we decided to take them out here and have some fun. Okay, we're going up Competition Hill. So this is on the backside of Top of the World in a F350. I don't think it's ever been done. Well, we didn't make it up the hill, but we had fun trying. We had a really good time out there. Tahi and Kate, they're incredible. We're so glad that we had a few minutes with them. So anyway, we are ready. We're about to have just a couple more things in the house, so we are just about packed. You know, once you start traveling a little bit, you understand you don't need anything. So I'm proud of the kids for packing so lightly.